Good morning, guys. Happy Monday to you. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com, and quite a snow event for our friends down across central Kentucky overnight. As much as 10 to 11 inches of snow outside of the Lexington area. Really impressive to see. Now the snow is hammering away across the mountains of North Carolina and East Tennessee. Don't be surprised if places like Boone and Blowing Rock, North Carolina pick up a quick 6 inches. What we see up to our north, that's a disturbance that will deliver light snow into the picture here as early as the lunchtime hour across central Indiana. And then we're going to turn our attention to the potential of heavier and more intense snow squalls developing as we go through the afternoon and evening hours as upper air disturbances move along in this cold northerly flow. It's kind of going to be the story for the first half of the work week, with periods of snow showers and at times heavier snow squalls as these upper air disturbances move through the area. Again, Tuesday evening into early Wednesday, that can continue to be expected. So from an accumulation perspective, it's really not going to amount to a whole lot. However, similar to last week, if you get under one of these heavier, more intense squalls, don't be surprised by a quick coating to an inch of snow. That can fall in a short time frame and certainly be enough to slicken up area roadways. So something to consider as you go about your travels. We'll take a look at the GFS forecast model, and high pressure will build in finally on Thursday, providing sunny conditions and a bit of a moderating trend. However, it won't last long as this disturbance and the fast-moving flow moves in on Friday with rain, perhaps a little bit of a mix on the northern periphery of that precipitation across central portions of the state. We'll keep an eye on that. All in all, a rather raw close to the work week, though, on Friday with damp, chilly conditions in place. St. Patrick's Day continues to look rather nice. High pressure builds in. I think we may be able to get by with a rain-free Saturday for St. Patty's Day, and temperatures will be warmer, not as warm as originally expected, but we should be able to top out in the mid to upper 50s at least, so that'll be nice with dry conditions in place. Doesn't last long, though, as a storm system approaches to close the weekend with rain building in here on Sunday. Guys, we'll end up by closing with a look at the European ensemble temperature anomalies in 5-day increments here. And the screaming message continues to be, as we put this into motion, which, by the way, this takes us into late March, that cold just continues to dominate the pattern. Any sort of attempts of warmth relative to normal will be brief. Overall, it's a cold look, and we can thank that negative North Atlantic oscillation for that. Guys, make it a great Monday. Thank you, as always, for logging on to NDWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.